Let's see some questions on rational numbers. First one, we have solve the given problem 30 upon 7 minus 14 upon 5. So we have to find the LCM first. LCM of 7 and 5. Now 7 and 5 both are co-prime numbers, so we directly multiply them. 7 into 5, that is 35. LCM is 35. So in the denominator we have to bring 35. So we multiply 30 upon 7, 7 into 5 minus 14 upon 5, here we multiply by 7. So here we get 150 upon 35 minus 98 upon 35. 150 minus 98 is 52 upon 35. Now, if they can be reduced to the simplest form, we can reduce them. If not, it will be left like this one. This is divisible by 7 and 5. This is not divisible by 7, so neither by 5. So this is the standard form. Next one. In order to get the same result as the problem 7 upon 2 minus 4 upon 5, what should we add to 7 upon 2? Now it is simple. Question थोड़ा सा घुमा के दिया हुआ है, but यहाँ पे सिर्फ ये पूछा हुआ है कि if we are having this question here, what should we add to 7 upon 2 to get this value? So this is the variable. So we take that as x. It can also be done a different way. First we'll solve it like this and I'll tell you how it can be done on the other in a different way. So here, for finding this x, 7 upon 2 minus 4 upon 5, I am first bringing this 7 upon 2 on this side. So here it is adding with the variable x. So on this side it will be subtracting, equals to x. Now if you see here, 7 upon 2 and this 7 upon 2 both are same rational numbers. So what I'll do is I'll write it here, and then this one I've just brought this one here. Now if we subtract the 7 minus 7 upon 2 minus 4 upon 5 equals to x. So 7 minus 7 will be 0 upon 2 minus 4 upon 5 equals to x. So it will be 0. 0 upon 2 is 0. 0 minus 4 upon 5 equals to x. So it will be minus 4 upon 5 equals to x. Therefore, अब हमने यहाँ पे let the number added be x लिया था. Question पूछा था what should be added. Therefore, minus 4 upon 5 should be added to 7 upon 2 to get 7 upon 2 minus 4 upon 5. So that is by taking a variable forming an equation. Now the other way that I said, that is actually just an explanation we can do, and to write it also it will be similar type of thing, but instead of variable we will not take that, we will take some statement there. What we have to do here is, if you see 7 upon 2, 7 upon 2, that is same, only this is changed. So if we write here 7 upon 2 minus 4 upon 5 is same as 7 upon 2 plus minus 4 upon 5. We have split this minus sign. Minus sign is plus minus. So plus minus. So 7 upon 2 added with minus 4 upon 5. So we get this value. So we need to have we will have to write these statements with this. Not writing that, the main solution is this only. We can write it with this method also with some statements. Next question, simplify करना है. We can see we have to multiply the rational numbers here. Now, when we have some the rational numbers multiplication, we have to first see if there is any number in the numerator and denominator that can be cancelled or that are having any common factor other than 1. So जैसे यहाँ पर 2 is in this numerator here and here the 2 is in the denominator. So that can be cancelled 2 ones and 2 ones. Same is done with the 7 ones and 7 ones. So we get 1 into 1, 1 into 1, that is 1. Here 5 upon 3 minus 11 into minus 11 upon 15, ये multiply कर रहे हैं हम लोग यहाँ पे भी. So यहाँ पर भी same we have to see if there is anything that can be cancelled or any number with which are having common factor. जैसे यहाँ पे 5 है और यहाँ पे 15 है. They are having a common factor 5. So this can be 5 ones are 5 threes are. 3 और 3 ये cancel नहीं हो सकते because both are in the denominator. न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में हम लोग कर रहे हैं कैंसिलेशन. हम लोग न्यूमरेटर या डिनोमिनेटर में नहीं करेंगे कैंसिल. Here 1 into minus 11, so that is minus 11. 3 into 3 is 9. Next, simplify and express the answer in standard form. 15 upon 17 into minus 7. Now यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में दिया है कि स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिखना है. जनरली भी अगर क्वेश्चन कोई भी आ रहा है आपको उसको स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में ही लिखना है. यहाँ पर आप मल्टीप्लाई कर दोगे और उसको स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में नहीं लिखोगे तो दैट इज नॉट योर एक्चुअल फाइनल आंसर. सो एवरीवेयर यू हैव टू राइट द फाइनल आंसर इन द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. 15 upon 17 into minus 7. यहाँ पर अगर हम देखें डिनोमिनेटर इज 1, सो न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर में कहीं पे भी कोई भी कैंसिलेशन पॉसिबल नहीं. सो विल डायरेक्टली मल्टीप्लाई कैसा होता है, न्यूमरेटर इनटू न्यूमरेटर. यहाँ पे जैसे हमने किया 1 into 1, यहाँ 1 into minus 11, 3 into 3. न्यूमरेटर इनटू न्यूमरेटर, डिनोमिनेटर इनटू डिनोमिनेटर करना है. सो 15 into minus 7 होगा, 17 into 1 होगा. So this will be 105 minus 7 है and the denominator will be 17. Next question is check whether minus 2 is the reciprocal of 1 upon 2 or not. You have to give the reason. Now अब उन्होंने बोला है minus 2 1 upon 2 का reciprocal है या नहीं. From seeing only we can see here this is negative, this is positive. So reciprocal साइन नहीं चेंज होती है, सिर्फ न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर इंटरचेंज होते हैं. यहाँ पर साइन भी इन्होंने चेंज कर दिया है. दिस इज माइनस, दिस इज प्लस. रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ 1 upon 2 is 2 upon 1, that is 2. Means the reciprocal of 1 upon 2 is 2. यहां पर इन्होंने दिया है minus 2, so they are not same. Reason is reciprocal of 1 upon 2 is 2, which is positive. Next, find a rational number that cannot have a reciprocal. अब ऐसा कौन सा नंबर होगा जिसका रेसिप्रोकल नहीं है? 0 is the number because 0 is the rational number. इसका रेसिप्रोकल होगा is 1 upon 0. एंड हमने ये देखा था कि रैशनल नंबर में डिनोमिनेटर कैन नॉट बी 0. P upon Q का जो फॉर्म होता है where this is not equal to 0. So reciprocal of 0 is 1 upon 0, which is not a rational number. This is not defined. Therefore 0 is not having a reciprocal. Next is divide. अब divide में this is given, divide minus 3 by 9/5. So इसमें if we write the denominator here, this is 1. Now we have seen that डिवीजन में -3/1, ये जो रैशनल नंबर है ये ऐसा ही रहेगा. डिवीजन साइन विल बी रिटन एज मल्टीप्लिकेशन और डिवीजन के बाद वाला जो रैशनल नंबर है उसका रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा. 9/5 विल बिकम 5/9. अब यहाँ पर हम लोग ये नहीं करना है कि -3 और 9 को यहाँ डिवाइड कर दें. पहले हमको ये लिखना जरूरी है. देन वी हैव टू डू दी यूज द रूल ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डू दी कैंसलेशन. So 3 ones and 3 threes का cancel हो जाएगा. So this is -1 and 5. -1 into 5 is -5 and 3 into 1 is 3.